Hey everyone, High Tech Locksmith team here today with you guys. We are introducing a new service, installation of immobilizers. Here we have a 3rd gen RAM. The immobilizer was optional on this year and model, and this one in particular does not have one factory installed. If someone were to break in and try to steal it, they will fairly easily do so. But fear not, with our new immobilizer installation service, that will not be the case. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So every vehicle that has an immobilizer, when the car is off, the security light should be blinking. And on 3rd gen Rams, as you can see right there, that's where the security light should be. So as you can see, it's not blinking, nor if I insert a programmed key, the light should turn on and turn off. But if it's an unprogrammed key, the light should either stay solid or constantly flash. So as you can see, I insert the key, nothing changes. Turn the ignition on, nothing changes. So that's the first sign that this vehicle does not have a factory installed immobilizer. That is not always the case. So here we have the normal key without the immobilizer on the key yet. So let's try to start it. Car turns on and doesn't start. Alright, let's go get the fob that will be included with the installation. 2 fobs total are included per installation. So here we have it. This is how it looks like. An identical one will be provided as spare. The fob is on. Key right here. Let's try to start it one more time. And off we go. Immobilizer installed. There are many cars out there up to model year 2024 without the factory installed immobilizer that are susceptible to being stolen fairly easily. A great example would be Kia and Hyundai vehicles. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment for installation, our contacts will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.